I know I look really weird right now. That's because I don't have on any eyebrows, and I really want to test out the new Kenzie Beauty brow product. So let's get straight into this PR package. See? It's so much things in here. These are the new dual-ended brow pencils, and they come in 4 shades. This packaging looks rich, so you get the pencil and a brush in each box. On one side there's a fine tip to outline the brows, and on the other side is their angled shader to fill in the brows. First I'm gonna brush through my brows, and then I'm gonna outline my brows using shade dark brown. That is so creamy though. Wow, y'all know I love a good fine tip. I am so happy with that shape. It literally took seconds. Now I'm using the angle side to fill in the brow, and because this tip is so fine, I can create little hair-like strokes at the front of my brow. Look at the difference in these brows with this brow pencil. You'll need to get this, besties. Besties, there's absolutely no reason why you should not get this brow pencil from Kenzie Beauty. I mean, look at the results, and you'll know I always have my brows snatched. You can get your Kenzie Beauty brow pencil, which is, by the way, waterproof and oily skin friendly, at your Pennywise, JD Supercare, and Starlite drugs, and it's also coming very soon to Superpharm and Waterfront Pharmacy in Tobago. It is 100% Shanada approved.